Guys, I'm going to show y'all how I do my quick hairstyles using Red by Kiss. I start off with this lace tinting spray. I love it because it dries quick and it also smells like peaches. This is the before, and the after is so much better. Then I go in with my lace wig powder. I love this because it gives the hairline such a natural look and is the finishing touch it needs. Then I go in with my lace bond spray. I love this because it dries quick as well, and then it's also water resistant and perfect for everyday use. This is perfect for whenever you're on the go as well. And I love this freeze hairspray because it's a hairspray and a bond spray all in one. It's perfect. And this is a finished look. Bye guys, thank you.